special guest, MJ. I have my friend MJ and my sister Charlotte on my YouTube video. And this is how we're going to make the slime. You have glue? Now you have glue? First, we're going to start our clear glue. Now we're going to use my clear glue, my favorite color, pink. Yeah. Yeah. I can't do it. Now don't stop spitting. I'm mixing good. I'm hard to exercise.
Okay.